In our second mini episode, we'll be talking about environment variables, how to define and access them in Lambda function. We'll proceed with the project we created in the episode 1, which is called mini1. It has a single function called get. This function has a configuration file called as function.json, and if we scroll down, we'll see the environment field. This is exactly the place where we will add our environment variables. You can store your values right here like serverless project does. I will highlight it for you. Serverless project and this variable has its value mini1. But if your variable is stage or region specific or security sensitive, you are better off storing it as a project variable in meta folder. I will show you in a moment. The beauty of it is that you can git ignore them. Here you can see as variable common JSON. Here you store all your common project variables, like project name, for example. And here as variables def us east1. This file contains your stage and region specific values. As variables def has only stage specific variables. Now, if we go to our handler.js, we'll see that I am returning an environment variable here, and for each stage it will have a different value. Let me show you. I'll first deploy a function to dev stage, and then we will see that it returns us value exactly for the dev stage. And after that I will do the same for the test stage, and it will print us a value for the test stage, as you might have guessed. Fascinating. So our function endpoint was deployed successfully. Now we can check the outcome. Fascinating. Here you can see the name of the environment variable, which is called some stage dependent var, and a stage specific value, which is equal to I am a dev stage value. Now let us deploy the same function and the same endpoint to a different stage called test. It will take a couple of seconds. Brilliant. Now we have our endpoint for the test stage as well. It printed us I am a test stage value. Let us go back to our function.json. That's how we return our how we access our environment variables. That process.env.name of your var. And how do we declare it for our function? We declare it right here. And how do we declare our value that is stage dependent? We go to the meta folder and the variables folder inside, and to s-variable dev.json. This is exactly the place where I have declared them. And here, s-variables test.json. That's it for this episode.